Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a character art by Sasatoya of a male in a suit with heterochromia eyes. Dark Knight Priscilla character art and sprite by Coyote Craft. 29 loopable tracks of Synthwave music by David KBD. All-time rock show music DLC from Dejika made by Ayato Soundcrate. Next, we have two new plugins for MZ. A plugin by Monokura that allows us to randomly rename actors from a list of predefined names. And a plugin by Noon that allows us to create items and skills that can increase or decrease experience points when used. And lastly, a new FSM Tileset pack by RefMap for desert-themed towns and ruins. That's all for today. Go back to game making now.